Hello traders, good morning. Welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, February 21st. At 6 a.m. we have medium impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Then at 1:45 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. And at 3 p.m. we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs. We have several news. Again at 3:30 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. And from 7 p.m. we have high impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. And at 8:15 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. At 8:30 p.m. we have again medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So we have lots of high impact news and medium impact news in many of the major currency pairs. So we can expect high volatility in most of the major currency pairs today. Let us quickly look at dollar index, understand the current trend of the price action in dollar index. So we know from the past price action that it was trading on a bullish channel pattern, and currently when we notice a price action, it has fallen from the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern on the bearish side retracement, and currently we are seeing the price action to take support on this bullish channel pattern support line. And if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue, but still we have a very strong support zone between 103.77 to 103.53. This is a very strong support zone when we compare the price action from the past. So for now we know that it is taking support on this bullish channel pattern support line. So if the price action breaks the support line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. And if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement from this support line, it will be the continuation of the current bullish trend within this bullish channel pattern, which means that we can expect the opposite price action in gold. If the price action in DXY trends on the bullish side retracement, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in gold US dollar currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. So I am in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs, and so far the current trend of the price action is clearly in a bearish trend, and we have noticed the price action to trend down up to the level of 1818, then to make a bounce back on the bullish side retracement, but still it has not broken the previous high, which shows that the bullish side trend reversal has now started in daily time frame. And when we look at the whole price action, the body of the previous green candles has not broken the body of this red candle, which means that it is trading within these red candles on the bullish side retracement. Once the support or the body is broken, we can expect the current bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. So when we look at the past price action, this level had acted as a strong support where we have noticed a price action to take support and to continue its current trend. And since the price action is in a bearish trend for now, again it has taken support on this previous support level, and if the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the current bearish trend to continue in daily time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and in 4 hours time frame also we are clearly noticing the current bearish trend to continue, and currently we are noticing the price action to take support around the support level of 1819, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Let us draw a trend line or a resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame also. I have connected the highs of the past price action, and currently also we are noticing the price action to test this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And within this bearish trend also, we have noticed a price action to move on a sideways momentum, then to break this support line of this bearish channel pattern on the bearish side retracement, and currently also we have noticed a price action to break this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern on the bullish side. Again, this bearish channel pattern resistance line had acted as a very strong resistance line for the current price action, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend. So for now, looking at the past price action, this line will be acting as a strong support for the current price action, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this support line, we can expect the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. In which case, this green line will be acting as a resistance line for the future price action. So for now, if the price action breaks this support line, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the current bullish trend. So wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation. So the values within this green color boxes are the support and resistance line for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1846 and support level of 1840. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1840, next level of support is going to be around 1832, which means that we'll get a confirmation on the bearish side trend continuation, and next level of support is going to be around 1822 and 1819. And this level of 1819 is a very strong support. Once the price action breaks this higher time frame support level of 1819, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. Till the support level of 1819, it will only be considered as a retracement on the bearish side. It is not a confirmation on the bearish trend continuation. There are chances for the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. For hourly time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a support line in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal. And as long as the body of the current candle doesn't close below this blue color trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Once the body of the candle closes below this blue color support line, it will be the confirmation on the bearish trend continuation in hourly time frame also. For now, the current price action is consolidating within the higher time frame resistance line and the trend line from the hourly time frame. Wait for a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to enter into the directional trade in hourly time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action is trading between the support level of 1840 and resistance level of 1846 in hourly time frame. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1840, next level of support is going to be around 1835, 1832, 1828, 1826, 1824, 1822 and 1818. Dear viewers, sorry to interrupt. If you're still following my analysis, could you please spare some time and press that like button to show your support to my analysis video. Thank you for your support. So on the bullish side, when we look at the resistance levels, the first level of resistance is going to be around 1851, 1855, 1858 and 1862. For now, the current price action is on a consolidation within the support line and the resistance line. Wait for a directional breakout in order to get into the directional trend in hourly time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, we are noticing the price action to take resistance on the higher time frame resistance level of 1846 and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Let us wait and see if it breaks the higher time frame support level of 1840, which will give the confirmation on the continuation of the current bearish trend, and also it will give the confirmation on the break of the hourly time frame trend line or the support line, based on which you can enter into the bearish side trade. We have lots of support on the bearish side also. Wait for a proper confirmation before entering into the directional trade in 30 minutes time frame also. For now, the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bearish side retracement. It still hasn't broken any of the support levels from the higher time frame. But if the price action doesn't break the higher time frame resistance level of 1846, we can consider this as a consolidation and a bearish side trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance levels and the support levels for the current price action. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1841 and support level of 1840. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1840, next level of support is going to be around 1838, 1836, 1832 and 1830 on the bearish side. And if the price action takes support on this hourly time frame trend line or the support line and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1841, 1842, 1843, 1844, 1845 and 1846. Here we have seen a consolidation to happen. So all the ranges are very narrow. It has to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to get a wider targets on the bullish side. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1846, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1848, 1850, 1851, 1852. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1840 and resistance level of 1841. And if the price action continues its current bearish trend, next level of support is going to be around 1838, 1836 and 1832. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support on the support level of 1840 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1841, 1842, 1843, 1844, 1845 and 1846. It is similar to the levels in 30 minutes time frame because it is under a consolidation. If you are still watching my video, please press that like button in order to show your support to my video. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video.